What if you could change your life? What if you could make your dreams real? Many people think this is impossible. They think it is just for a lucky few. But that is not true. The universe has a secret. It is a simple secret. It is the law of attraction. This is not magic. It is a process. It is a way of thinking. It is a way of living. And it all starts with your mind. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Everything you see around you started as a thought. Your home, your car, your job. They were all a thought first. So why can't your dreams be a reality? They can be. The key is your subconscious mind. This is the part of your mind that works below the surface. It holds all your beliefs. It holds your habits. It holds your deepest desires. The law of attraction works by imprinting your desires here, on your subconscious mind. This is the core purpose of all manifestation methods. You have to plant a seed of your dream, and you have to water it every day until it grows into your reality. This sounds simple, but it takes practice. It takes commitment. It is a journey of self-discovery, a journey of self-empowerment. So where do you start? The process has 4 main steps. Let's call them the 4 pillars of manifestation. You have to follow them all. They work together. The first pillar is about clarity. You must know exactly what you want. This is more difficult than it sounds. Many people say they want to be happy, or they want to be rich, but that is too general. The universe needs details. You must be specific. Do you want a new job? What kind of job? What does your office look like? What is your daily routine? Do you want a new house? How many rooms does it have? What color is the front door? Where is it located? Details are important. They make your desire real. They make it tangible. But how do you know if it is what you really want? There are 2 simple tests. The first is the visualization test. Close your eyes. Imagine you have already achieved your goal. Imagine you have that new job. Imagine you are in that new house. How does it make you feel? Do you feel genuine happiness? Do you feel excited? Do you feel a sense of peace? If you do, it is a real desire. It is a goal that truly belongs to you. The second test is the anti-wish list. This is a powerful exercise. Take out a piece of paper. List everything you absolutely do not want. Write down what you do not want to do. Write down what you do not want to be. This can be very revealing. Sometimes we are so focused on what we lack. We do not see what we truly desire. When you list what you hate, you find what you love. When you list what you do not want to be, you find your true self. This process helps you define your true desires. Once you are clear, you are ready for the second pillar. This is about verbalizing your desire. You need to create a single sentence. A simple, powerful sentence. It should state your desire as if it has already happened. Use the past tense. Make it specific. For example, by 2028, I built a successful company with over $5 million in annual revenue, and I inspire my team every day. This sentence is your affirmation. This is your personal mantra. You need to say it out loud every single day, at least 100 times. This may sound crazy, but there is a reason for it. When you say something out loud, you hear it. Your conscious mind hears it. Your subconscious mind hears it. It starts to believe it. It starts to accept it as a reality. The repetition is what matters. It etches the desire into your subconscious. It is a simple habit, but it is a powerful one. You can use a clicker or a counter app to keep track. This helps you stay focused. It helps you avoid distraction. It turns a simple task into a powerful ritual. The third pillar is about writing. This is a very effective method. Many successful people use it. You need to write down your goals every single day, at least 100 times. You should do this for 100 consecutive days. Why is writing so powerful? It engages your mind. It engages your hands. It makes the goal more real. It moves the idea from your head to the real world. It imprints the desire on your subconscious mind. This is why many people prefer handwriting. Handwriting has a special connection. It is a more physical act. It makes the imprinting more effective. So get a notebook. Get a nice pen. Find a quiet place. And start writing your future. Write your goals as if they are already done. Write them with passion. Write them with emotion. Write them with a sense of certainty. This method trains your brain. It shows your mind what you are serious about. It aligns your thoughts and your actions. It sets you on a path to success. The fourth pillar is about feeling. This is the most important part. You can say your goals, you can write your goals, but if you do not feel them, they will not manifest. You must feel the emotion of having your goal. This is what visualization is all about. It is not just seeing an image. It is feeling the feeling. It is feeling the joy. It is feeling the gratitude. It is feeling the excitement. Imagine you have the job. How does it feel to get your paycheck? How does it feel to work with your dream team? How does it feel to go home with a sense of purpose? Feel that emotion. Feel it in your body. Feel it in your soul. The universe responds to feeling. It does not respond to a list of words. It responds to the vibrational energy, the energy you put out. Your emotions are your vibrational signal. A positive signal attracts positive outcomes. A negative signal attracts negative outcomes. So choose your emotions wisely. I have a friend who used this method. He wanted a new job. He started visualizing it. He imagined every detail of the office. He saw the color of the walls. He saw the kind of chairs. He saw his colleagues laughing. He imagined his daily commute. He even imagined his coffee cup. Then he felt the feeling of success, the feeling of belonging, the feeling of purpose. When he went to the interview, he was so confident. He was so comfortable. He was already living in that reality. He was just waiting for the physical world to catch up. And it did. He got the job, and it was exactly like he had imagined. This is the power of feeling, the power of visualization. Once you have the 4 pillars, you can add more to the process. The first addition is gratitude. Gratitude is just as important as visualization. You must be grateful for what you have, and you must be grateful for what is coming. Think about all the good things in your life, the people you love, the food you eat, the sun in the sky. Feel grateful for them. This raises your vibration. This puts you in a positive state. It shifts your mindset from enduring to anticipating. You are not just getting through the day. You are getting closer to your dream. You are getting closer to your goals. Gratitude is the engine of your manifestation. It is a simple way to stay positive. Another powerful technique is the prepaid gratitude. This is a very simple one. Every morning, wake up and say, "Today was a great day. Thank you." Say it as if it already happened. Say it with a genuine feeling. This sets the tone for your day. It signals to the universe that you are ready for good things. It puts you in a positive mindset from the start. It primes you for a successful day. You can also try the 90-day challenge. This is a more intensive method. Choose one of your desires and say your affirmation 1,000 times a day. Do this for 90 days straight. Why 90 days? They say it takes 21 days to form a habit. It takes 90 days to make it a part of your subconscious. After 90 days, it is no longer a habit. It is who you are. This challenge is a test of your commitment, a test of your will. But the results can be life-changing. You can also practice with small things. Try to manifest a good parking spot, or try to get a free coffee, or try to get an email from a friend you have not heard from. These are small victories, but they build your confidence. They show you that the process works. They show you that you have the power to manifest. And as your confidence grows, so do your results. You can then move on to bigger and bigger things. It all starts with a small step. Another tip is to high-five yourself. Look in the mirror. Give yourself a high five. This is a fun little trick. A high five is a symbol of celebration. It is a symbol of victory. By giving yourself one, you are sending a positive signal. You are telling yourself you are a winner. You are telling yourself you are a champion. It boosts your mood. It boosts your confidence. It is a simple way to start your day with energy. Finally, there is one very simple thing you can do. Make your bed every morning. This may sound silly, but it is a powerful first step. It is the first small victory of your day. You wake up, you accomplish something, you start your day with a sense of order, a sense of control. It sets a positive momentum. It tells your subconscious mind that you are a person who gets things done. This is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. It is about building a positive energy, building a positive mindset. So remember the key. Your subconscious mind is the key. All of these methods are about imprinting your desires there. Be clear about what you want. Verbalize it every day. Write it down every day. Feel the emotion of having it. Practice gratitude. Start small. Make your bed. Give yourself a high five. The power is within you. You have the ability to create your own reality. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Your future is waiting for you. It is time to make your dreams real. It is time to manifest. You are capable. You are worthy. You are a creator.